Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I thought about doing something that would relate to me at a point that I cannot even explain. So recently I've watched a new series on Netflix about Marie Kondo and the tied up thing, movement, and how to do all these things. And so I found that very interesting since my room is a completely mess. Yeah, it is. So I decided to do a Marie Kondo 2.0, which is just giving my touch to the Marie Kondo theory and methodology, and let's get into it. So when watching all of the Marie Kondo series, I came up with these kind of the lessons that she talked about and she taught us throughout the whole series. And so the lesson number 1 would be to tackle everything into categories and not rooms. So for example, if you want to just tidy up your closet, you start by organizing all the clothes that you have in all house. The first thing I would do is just to gather every piece of clothing that I have into one pile, and then take care of that and not moving on to next category when that category is not already finished. Then the next lesson is to just pour your feelings out, and that means to thank the clothes for fulfilling the mission, to just organize the clothes that you want, that you don't want, the ones that bring you happiness, joy, and the ones that have, like I said, fulfill that mission. Then while just tidying up everything, you cannot be led by the nostalgia. So if you found a letter for someone, don't start reading, because then you'll procrastinate everything and for the entire day. And then your room would just be a mess with everything unorganized again. So to not fall into that trap, no. You're not supposed to listen to any music or get any like distractions, but I think I'm gonna put music on. So the first category, as you can imagine, it's the most critical one. It's to get my clothes organized, because as I said previously, I have clothes everywhere and that is not okay. So I have clothes on that chair, and what I'm gonna do is gather every piece of clothing into a very huge pile on my bed, and that should be fun, right? So let's get into it. So as it for now, I just finished to take all the clothes out of these 2 modules of clothes and random things that I do have here still. I don't even know where my phone is. At this point, I don't even know where my phone is. The first thing, as I was saying, is to just put in these bags, because I seriously need to get more, the clothes that had fulfilled the experience of keeping me happy and bringing me joy, and just kind of separate this huge pile into 2 micro piles. Let's see. Wow. Usually the clothes that I don't want, I just put it on a bag and give it to church so they can give to someone that needs clothes. But I haven't done that in kind of 2 years, and then I just keep stuff that I think I'm gonna need someday and I clearly will not. So this is the situation so far. I've made 2 piles, and probably I'm going through a second selection here but this is the one that I'm definitely going to put on the bag. So let's start by just taking these all off the bed so I can see clearer what's in here. So as you can see by the previous footage, this is going very good actually. So I have separated into two piles, the piles of clothes that I already know by now for sure that I want to take out of my closet. Now I'm just going to pick a piece of clothing, say thank you, and put it away on this bag. So that pile looks bigger, but that's because my pillows are in there. So these are the clothes that I already took out of my closet. So yeah, I'm sorry for the messed up look, but that's what I'm going for whenever I'm cleaning this. Marie Kondo believes that clothes are happier when folded and not hanged on the closet, and therefore I'm going to try to fold as many clothes as I can, and then I'm going to see if they actually fit on the drawers that I have, because I think I only have 8 drawers and they're like this big. Not very big, but not very small, and so I think I can fit them all there, except dresses and coats that will be hanged on the closet. And I feel like I have something missing, not sure what, but yeah. So let's try and fold all the clothes that I have. So basically I've come to this pile already. I have huge one to take care of, but right now, for example, I'm going to just take the tops that I've already folded and just place them like this. I'm going to organize by color, kind of creating a gradient of colors here. And so I think I'm gonna go ahead with tops and t-shirts, 2 for sweaters, and you know, that kind of winter clothes. And I've also got these little box to put some socks, and this would be the underwear and socks drawer. And yeah, this is what I've come so far. So let's start putting everything in the drawers because I'm running out of space to fold everything properly.